Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's Pandora, the Crypto Pay Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. Happy New Year. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. If you haven't checked out this particular program I'm getting ready to talk about, go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, guys, we're back. We're here again. We continue to talk about how to make daily pay online. All right, super simple program. Okay, it's simple to do. Maybe that's why a lot of people aren't doing it. Sometimes people overcomplicate things. The simple things, all right? Being consistent, following simple instructions. It's amazing that something so simple, a lot of times people just can't fathom, right? So anyway, we're back here to show another payment proof. These things keep coming in, they keep rolling in. I'm telling you guys the simplicity of it all, and we show you step by step how to do it within a 2-hour work day. You can work it however you want. Within 2 hours, you can do 30 minutes here, 40 minutes here, 1 hour here, however you want to do it. We tell you exactly what to do. We show you what to do. We give you an action video every day. You just click that video and we tell you, excuse me, what to do. We give you all the training you need, all the tools, the success, the support you need is right here. All right, nobody's doing it like we're doing it. I'm telling you, I have been a part of plenty programs. I'm a part of plenty programs that I've paid $1,000 for programs, and we don't have this type of support we have over here. That's why I know this is where you need to be. All right. All right, so we're going to show you a little payment proof. Go check this thing out if you really want to make a change and see something different in 2024. If you want more in 2024, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Let's go. Boom. Okay, while I was actually having dinner, literally, I was sitting in front of the TV having dinner at 6:35 yesterday on the 3rd, this $150 payment, boom, came across my phone. Okay, guys, when you set up systems and get things in place, it's all on autopilot. I never spoke to this person. Shout out to Letitia. Welcome aboard. She never called. She never sent me an email. The only thing I got was, boom, you got paid. Okay, that tells me that what I am doing is working. Okay, systems work, people fail. That's just the way this goes. So once you set up your automations, we show you how to do that. We give you a free system. We give you the free email marketing, autoresponder, everything you need to succeed. All right, so once again, we're here telling you how this thing works. I've shown you proof of tons and tons of people that's doing it as well. I'm going to put that link again in the description of our last webinar so you can check it out, guys, where you will see everyday average people that never had experience in the online marketing space, the digital marketing space, the make money online space, social media. They didn't know anything. And they were able to follow these little simple steps within a 2-hour workday every day and be consistent with what they're doing. Okay, this is not a no work type of program. You have to put some work in, right? But these folks have done it and they're getting results. And here I'm showing you once again, I've been a part of the program since 2021. Since its inception, it's still going. We're almost 3 years in this program, and it hasn't stopped. It's not going to stop as long as you promote it, right? Because the program is here. You have a website. As long as your website is up and running, you promote it. It will work if you follow the steps. All right. So I'm going to put that link in the description. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. get started today. We've got 4 products for you to choose from here. Let me show you really quick. Get in where you fit in. It's all on you. But I can tell you, these 2 are the most popular. The Pro 300 will be $339. The 6-figure, that's the 6-figure blueprint, $339. And then the premium is $659. You're all in. You get 4 levels of income if you go all in. A total business in a box. The 2 popular. All right. Then we have the 150. It'll be 150 plus 39, so that'll be 189. Okay. And then that gives you 2 levels of income. If you go with the elite, you get the elite and you get the starter. All right. The starter is 50 plus 39 for your website. That 39 is for the website, and then the 59 is for the website for the premium. Okay, so it's 50 plus 39, that's 89. So you got 89, 189, 339 total, or 659. You decide. All right, guys, but this thing works. Please let me tell you. Okay, and we're not stopping. It's all go. We on go. All right, so if you want to get started, please go to the link in the description. I would love to work with you. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. You're going to get an email from me once you make your payment. Once I receive my payment, I'll send you an email with 2 links in it. Very, very important. Link number 1 is for you to get access to one of these 4 products you purchase, right? Link number 2 is to get you into our community, okay? You will be able to get in for free. And this is where you get all your support, all your daily activities of what you need to do every day. We're here to support you, all right? But you must take the first step. It calls for action. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. If you're ready to start making daily pay online today, let's go. Let's get it. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.